Hare Krishna. Today we are going to see a common point of perfection in everything, that is between the joke and the slok and the Krishna's gem point. What is that perfection we are going to see in the joke? A couple had a boy. He never could talk. Never talked. They showed to all doctors, but no use. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. He was not able to talk. One day they were on the dining table. The boy suddenly said, "Rasam is not at all good. Muncharu. Not at all good." So it was a criticism, but mother was not bothered about the criticism. Father was not. They all hugged him and then said, "This boy is talking. All these days he did not talk. Suddenly he is talking full-fledged sentence." Then they surrounded him and then asked, "Oh, good, my goodness. So you are able to talk. Why did you not talk all these days?" Then that fellow pushed this rasam cup and then said, "All these days everything was perfect. That's why I did not open my mouth." As if he would pass only expert comments when needed over to finding fault with the cooking. Now, what does the joke say, the sloka say about the perfection? Let us see. Today's sloka is 3rd chapter, 32nd sloka.
एत्वेतद् अभ्यसूयन्तो नानुतिष्ठन्ति मे मतम् सर्वज्ञानविमूढांस्तान् विद्धि नष्टान् चेतसः.
In this sloka, Krishna is rather harsh. He is talking in a strict voice because he has told 31 slokas, and still on Karma Yoga, still if people do not listen and they don't practice, then Krishna says some strict words, serious words. Those who do not consider this, regard this as worthwhile and practice this, they will get doomed. They will be doomed to bondage. They will not get any perfection in their efforts to reach perfection. They will not succeed. So, this is a strict way of telling. All the time Krishna was telling very mildly. Now, practically also, teachers, everybody who are in the position of giving instructions, parents also, parents, grandparents, parents, they tell so many good things out of their experience, but the children must, or the subordinates must listen. Students must listen. That's why a class of people, a clan of people called backbenchers have developed, because they don't listen. Chinmayananda said once, the backbenchers never agreed anything ever in their life. Whatever teacher says is wrong. So then how will they learn? Now, the gem point of Krishna. Krishna is 100% perfect in everything. So, he also wants us to become 100% perfect. Though we all know in our heart of hearts right now, it is not possible. It is correct, because there is nothing called 100% perfection. But wait, there is help. Krishna, in the 15th chapter, 20th sloka, he finishes off the chapter by saying that people who listen to this and follow this Gita, fully believing that, they get their jobs in perfection. they become wise and their jobs will reach the stage of perfection. That is Krishna's way of teaching. He has told how to reach perfection. Hare Krishna.